Rare Ford Escort RS Cosworth stood in a regular garden for 26 years, one of the iconic cars from Ford. The Escort RS Cosworth became a legend at its time, with just over 7,000 units produced, unlike a conventional front-wheel drive hatchback. The car was produced from 1992 to 1996. Then restyling appeared, which was finally removed from the assembly line in 2000. By the way, not many people know, but the powerful Escort was seriously different from the usual hatchback. I can even say that for the most part it was filling from the Sierra sedan, on top of which was a slightly stretched body from the Escort. Even 220 horsepower 2-liter engine was installed longitudinally. For the beginning of the 90s, the car had excellent dynamics and covered the first 100 km in 5.8 seconds, which is an excellent indicator even now, almost 30 years later. You are probably wondering how it happened that such a unique car was abandoned for almost 25 years in an ordinary garden. It's simple. The old owner was stripped of his driving license for aggressive driving, but planned to return to the wheel. Further, he got to the wheel, but he was drunk, which only worsened the situation. After 5 years of deprivation, interests changed, and the white beast in the yard reminded of the happy days of stormy youth. So another 20 years flew by, and an old friend finally convinced him to sell the car to him. A long negotiations and convictions did their job, and the car 20 years later finally changed its owner, and there is a complete restoration ahead and a return to an ideal, almost factory condition. Well, there is a complete analysis ahead with a change of everything in a row. The amount of work is going to be significant. At that time, it was a true benchmark of the city's racing car, combining fantastic handling with comfort. In the early 90s, even criminals felt all the charm and power of four-wheel Escorts, which easily escaped police chases.